Alright guys, so I decided to start a new USA channel and monetize it as fast as possible. And the amount of money I made in 15 days makes no sense. Short monetization right now is on another level and there's a lot of misconception about it. A lot of things you don't know about short monetization, and we are going to cover everything in today's video. I'm going to tell you how much I made all the money. And also, most people think you need 10 million views for short and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. That's not how it works. There's a lot of things you don't know right now. We are going to cover everything in today's video. So I just woke up. Let me just go and take my bath, and I'll see you guys in the studio. Alright guys, so recently I came across a new AI powered short niche, and I saw a lot of creators making the same type of video. They are making money with it, so I said okay, let me try it out. And I posted consistently for several days, and today marks exactly 15 days since the channel got monetized. In this video I'm going to show exactly how much I made, how I got here, and what I'll do differently if I wanted to start over again. So stick around till the end because I'm about to break down exactly what makes a short channel succeed quickly. And just expect raw content, no fancy editing, no dopamine bait effect, just the truth. And I'm going to show you analytics, and that's it. Alright guys, so this is the channel right here. It's an entertainment channel where I take videos, edit them, add subtitle, and do a lot of things, then upload them on my channel. Each video takes about 20 to 30 minutes to edit and publish. It's quick, but it's definitely not easy. So before I show you exactly the result I earned in 15 days with this monetized channel, I want to give you a few important tips. And also what I said earlier in the intro, you don't need 10 million views. It's not 10 million views you need in short and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. There's something there you don't understand, and let me show you all that. So before that, let me show you the first one of this channel. I started on July 19th, as you can see, and let me pull up the first month. All right, the first month, 31 days. So in the first month alone, the channel reached 5.5 million views and brought in 5,000 subscribers. At that point, I already passed one of the first YouTube monetization requirement, which is 1,000 subscribers. But here is the problem. Here's where most people get confused, especially with shorts. To monetize on YouTube, you need 10 million valid views. So that simply means that there is invalid views, which means you can get 20 million views with short and you have 4 million or 3 million views which are valid. It's the same thing on TikTok, also valid and invalid views if you want to get monetized. So what YouTube asks us here is to get 10 million views, valid views. So valid views are usually around 50% of the total views you get, around, not exactly. For example, I had 5.5 million views total here, right? So if you check, you can see that I only have 2.6 million valid views. With these 5.5 million views, only 2.6 million views are valid in it. And a lot of creators don't know this at all. Even me, when I started, it was the same thing. It was when I wanted to monetize my first short channel ever that I realized that okay, this is how it works. So as you can see, during the first month, I posted every single day, 1 or 2 videos per day, and I stayed consistent, and the consistency paid off. So now in the last 28 days alone, the channel is sitting at almost 10 million views, as you can see, and nearly 10,000 new subscribers in just that specific period. And now for the part everyone wants to know, the money. So in these 15 days of monetization, I earned $178. For me, spending 20 minutes per video is absolutely worth it. And depending on the niche and the audience you choose, especially if you target the foreign audience, you could make even more than this. And don't forget that this is just the beginning, the first month, so I think it's totally worth it. So let me know in the comment section if this amount is worth it for you in 15 days of monetization. I want to hear your opinion. All right, that is it, bro. I think it's raining. I don't know if you are hearing it or it's going to disturb the audio, but I hope not. All right, so that is how much I made in 15 days of monetization. I'm still going to keep posting till the end of this year so we can see how much we are going to make. Alright guys, so what I'll do if I wanted to start over again, alright, I'm not going to stress myself. All I have to do is just to lie down on my bed and be watching, be scrolling just to look for content ideas is the first thing that's going to hook my attention. If I think I could make this type of video, is possible for me to make it, I'm just going to try it for 30 days. I'm not going to focus on it, say I want to make it original, come out with new ideas. No, I'm going to replicate exactly what is already working for 30 days to see if I'm going to have a little bit of growth, and then I'll decide if I want to start. Because if a niche works for someone else, doesn't mean it's going to work for you. So the first thing is to try it for 30 days, and don't forget consistency, because as you saw earlier, I post one video every single day or one or two videos every single day for days. So please don't forget consistency, and that's what I'll do if I wanted to start over again. I'll not stress myself, test for 30 days. If it doesn't work, we move to something else. That is it. If you want to make money with YouTube, check this video right here. I shared a lot of value that helps you to make more than $3,000 every single month on YouTube. Check it out, and I see you over there. It was Joshua. Peace out.